Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to sell a land property. First, gather all essential documents like deeds and surveys. Next, clear any debris or overgrown vegetation to make your land more appealing. It's also crucial to understand local zoning laws and any development restrictions. Finally, get a professional land appraisal to accurately determine its fair market value. These initial steps are vital for a smooth and successful sale. Once your land is prepared, effective marketing is key. Capture high-quality aerial photos and videos to showcase the entire parcel's potential. Craft a compelling description that highlights its unique features and benefits, attracting the right buyers. List your property on several online real estate platforms for maximum exposure. You might also consider hiring a real estate agent who specializes in land sales. Their expertise can be invaluable. Setting the right price is crucial for a quick sale. Base your asking price on your professional appraisal and thorough market analysis. Be ready to negotiate on price, terms, and even closing costs with potential buyers. It's important to understand common contingencies that buyers often include in their offers. Always seek legal advice before accepting any offer to ensure your interests are fully protected throughout the process. The final stage involves closing the sale. Carefully review all closing documents with your attorney to ensure everything is accurate. Make sure all agreed-upon conditions are met before the scheduled closing date. Be prepared for various closing costs, which typically range from 2 to 5% of the sale price. Finally, you'll transfer the deed and receive payment, successfully completing your land sale.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.